Hey everyone, I will be showing you how I created MrBeast AI avatar, and it looks real. If you stick with us until the end, we will take you step by step through the surprisingly simple process of making your own AI avatar inspired by MrBeast. Here is a fun twist. You can also use this method to create an AI avatar that looks like another celebrity you are a fan of. So, don't miss out on anything. Keep watching until the end and we will show you exactly how you do it. Before we jump into the details, if you are interested in staying in the loop with the newest AI tools and discovering how to use them effectively, you are in the perfect spot. What we do here is all about ensuring you stay well informed. We provide step-by-step tutorials to guide you through the process of harnessing AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Don't forget to give that subscribe button a click. Your support plays a crucial role in keeping our content creation going strong. Now, let's get started. Before we embark on this creative journey, the first essential step is acquiring a picture of MrBeast, also known as Jimmy. You can easily find an image by conducting a quick search on Google or any other platform that allows you to save pictures. Once you have successfully saved the chosen image onto your computer, we will delve into the transformative capabilities of Vance AI, a versatile photo AI tool. Vance AI offers a plethora of features ranging from transforming photos into captivating cartoons to seamlessly removing backgrounds and enhancing image resolutions. I have curated a series of instructional videos designed to assist you in navigating the diverse functionalities of Vance AI, providing insights into its user-friendly interface and demonstrating how it can be a game changer in the realm of photo editing. I strongly recommend checking out these videos before proceeding, as they will undoubtedly enhance your understanding of this powerful photo AI tool and optimize your experience. Now, assuming you have the MrBeast image ready and you have acquainted yourself with Vance AI through the instructional videos, let us embark on the next step. We will commence by utilizing Vance AI to remove the background from the MrBeast image you have saved. Simply upload the image to Vance AI and with a click on the Start button, initiate the background removal process. Once the process is complete, do not forget to click on the Download Image option to secure your edited picture. It is crucial to be mindful of the credit system on Vance AI, where credits are utilized each time you download an image. As of the current moment, I only have 3 credits left, so we will need to use them judiciously as we progress through the stages of crafting our MrBeast avatar. Now, let us take the next exciting step in our creative endeavor by transforming the MrBeast image into a captivating cartoon. Continuing with the user-friendly Vance AI platform, begin by uploading the image you saved earlier. Simply click on the Upload Image button. Navigate to the right side of the platform where you will find customization options. Here, under the cartoon section, refine your preferences by selecting Male. Explore various styles to choose the one that resonates with the artistic vision you have in the picture. Once you have made your selections, click on the Start button to initiate the processing. Be patient during this phase, as the processing time may vary depending on factors like your internet connection or the platform's current usage. Since we are utilizing a free account, it is understandable that the process may not be lightning fast. Upon completion of the processing, you will be greeted with a beautifully cartoonized image of MrBeast. It is worth noting that if the result doesn't quite meet your expectations, fear not. Vance AI allows you to experiment with different styles until you achieve the desired outcome. Feel free to explore other styles and generate with a cartoon image again until you are satisfied. Once you have achieved the perfect cartoonized image, click on the Download Image button to save it. Keep in mind that, as before, each download consumes a credit from your account. Now, armed with the uniquely transformed cartoon image, we are one step closer to creating a talking avatar that reflects the essence of MrBeast. Let us delve into the fascinating realm of giving our avatar a voice that resonates with the authentic MrBeast experience. While there are platforms available that can replicate or clone voices, I have opted for a more genuine approach by utilizing the actual voice of MrBeast. If you are curious about platforms that specialize in voice cloning, I will briefly display them on the screen for you, allowing you to explore these options for creating or mimicking voices. Now, let us talk about obtaining the raw voice of Mr. Beast. My preferred method involves navigating to YouTube and searching for Mr. Beast videos. Specifically, I seek out older videos, perhaps something from around 7 years ago. One particular video caught my attention where Mr. Beast amusingly shared his grievances about songs stuck on repeat on radios. I find the authenticity of his voice in these older videos particularly appealing. It is a nod to authenticity, allowing our avatar to embody the true essence of its real-life inspiration. Now, to acquire the audio, all that is needed is to copy the video link and then use an MP3 to YouTube converter. By pasting the link into the converter and initiating the conversion process, we effortlessly transform the selected segment of the video into an audio file. It is as simple as that. Now, armed with this converted audio clip, we have successfully captured the distinct voice of Mr. Beast to infuse into our avatar. Moving on to the next step in the video editing process, audio editing using CapCut. This step becomes crucial when dealing with lengthy audio files, especially when you don't intend to use every spoken word in your video. The first task is to carefully listen to the entire audio track. This might seem time-consuming, but it is essential for identifying and removing portions of the audio that aren't pertinent to your video. Think of it as a virtual pair of scissors to trim away unnecessary content. This process is commonly known as cutting. Once you have pinpointed the sections to be removed, simply execute the cut command in CapCut. This action slices away the selected audio portions, leaving you with a streamlined and relevant audio track. Now, on to the next step, exporting the edited audio. Navigate to the export option within CapCut, typically represented by a button or menu. Click on it, and a dialog box will appear. Before hitting the final export button, take a moment to check the export settings. Here is a crucial point to remember. The default export format is often set to MP4, which is a video format. However, since you are only working with the audio portion, it is necessary to modify the export format. Look for options like MP3, WAV, or any other audio format that suits your needs. This ensures that you are not creating a video file when all you need is the audio. Once the export is complete, download the edited audio file to your device. Now, you have a refined audio track ready for use in your video project. This step-by-step process not only enhances the efficiency of your editing workflow, but also ensures that your final video contains only the essential audio elements. Now that we've got our image and audio sorted out, let us dive into the next step, incorporating DID into our project. Don't worry, using DID is a breeze. Here is a step-by-step guide that makes it super easy for you to get started. Firstly, head over to the DID website. Once you are there, look for the Sign In button. If you are new to DID, don't fret. Creating an account is very easy, and you have few options. You can either sign up using your Google account, LinkedIn, or good old-fashioned email. Similar to other platforms, DID operates on a credit system, especially if you are on a free account. So, here is the scoop. Use your credits wisely. If you find yourself frequently creating talking avatars or foresee heavy usage, it might be worth considering an upgrade to a premium plan. Speaking of credits, here is the lowdown for free users. You get 20 credits to play around with. That is your budget for creating and customizing talking avatars. So, manage them wisely, make the most out of your DID experience. To start, we will need to upload the image we crafted earlier. This is the visual foundation for our project. So choose the one that perfectly captures the essence you are aiming for. Once your image is uploaded, we are ready for the next step. Now, let us introduce the audio component. Upload the audio file you have meticulously edited or selected for your project. Patience is key here. Wait for the audio to completely upload. Once a progress bar signals its completion, it is time to move on to the next thrilling phase. Now, here's the moment of anticipation. Click on the Generate button, but before you do, take a glance at the credits display. It is your on-screen guide indicating how many credits will be used for this particular video. This feature is handy, especially if you are managing a limited credit pool. Keep in mind that the length of your video influences the credits consumed. Longer videos mean higher credit usage. With everything in order, go ahead and click Generate. Watch as the virtual gears start turning. and lo and behold, your talking Mr. Beast avatar comes to life. Isn't it simply amazing? This straightforward process turns your creative vision into a tangible animated reality.
Now maybe I'm just a hater, but am I the only one that's noticed every other song on the radio is Taylor Swift? Welcome to Things I Hate Episode 1. Now people might be starving in Africa, but I'm gonna sit here and complain about my first world problems. My first complaint is radio stations because they play the same music every day. Why do I want to hear Wildest Dreams for the 10th time? Honestly, at the time I'm making this video, every other song on the radio is Wildest Dreams by Taylor Swift. And it's sad because I'm an 18-year-old boy. I don't want to hear some 20-something white male talk about her dream boyfriend. Like, why do I care to hear about that 3 times a day? Honestly, it's gotten so bad that I might even make a CD. Now, the reason I don't want to make a CD is because I'm lazy. I don't want to keep up with the CD. I don't want to have to update it every once in a while. I like the idea of radios and how they play new hit music all the time. But the problem with radio stations in 2015 is freaking idiots run them and they play the exact same songs year around. They don't even try to change them up. And before I go any further, I have to give a shout out to our sponsor. Razer sponsored this video. And for $70, you can buy a mouse that when you plug it in, your computer won't start up. And you'll
just like that, you now have your very own Mr. Beast avatar, brought to life through the power of technology. It is a pretty amazing process, isn't it? The seamless integration of image and audio, coupled with the understanding of credit usage, makes for a smooth and enjoyable experience in creating talking avatars. So, go ahead, revel in the magic of technology, and marvel at the fantastic results you have achieved. What is your opinion on the current trend of AI-generated talking avatars? Are you amazed by their ability to replicate even well-known personalities, or do you harbor some reservations? I am genuinely interested in hearing your viewpoint, so please don't hesitate to express your thoughts in the comments section. Your insights on this matter would be immensely valuable and appreciated. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.